Hello. Khabib Nurmagomedov is one of the most terrifying fighters to ever exist. He isn't nimble, he isn't fast or explosive, not a knockout artist. His movements look very savage and unrefined, sometimes even all over the place, but the moment he gets his hands on you, the whole arena already knows. It's Khabib time. His body is just built differently, with a persistent strength as his advantage over explosive speed. It's what his anatomy gains as a trade-off for speed, persistent strength. With it, it's miserable watching his opponents helpless before him. He just holds them in a position where they cannot fight back, mauling them with little answer in return. Oftentimes, you find they lose heart because they cannot utter even a murmur in the bear's cage. But during his match with LAKEY, Khabib tried something a little different. It was inspired by Muhammad Ali, one of my idols as well. He wanted to circle and jab, but it felt like his body was not reinforced to be a high-level striker. His muscles and frame were built primarily for grappling. Curiously though, he does have one punch that's very interesting, surprisingly powerful overall. Dan Hardy calls this strike the ridge hand, and it's very unorthodox. I believe a strong complement to his savage grappling style. From the lead hand, he feints the takedown low, but instead comes up at the top of his knuckles. It's similar to a corkscrew uppercut, but the hand position is different. Khabib's knuckles face upwards. This is incredibly effective for the same reason Yoel Romero's flying knee is effective. They feint their high-level grappling with a level change which draws the opponent's attention down low, but to their surprise, they crash into a different technique altogether. From what I can tell, this is Khabib's most devastating punch. I would compare this to Fyodor Emelianenko's unorthodox casting punch, a looping hook that strikes with the index knuckle or top of the knuckles, maximizing the reach of the strike, but with a tax of increased telegraph. Khabib's ridge hand is the bolo uppercut to Fyodor's hook. It's also important to note how this strike perfectly takes advantage of the high guard. The uppercut can be used as a guard splitter. Someone like Canelo Alvarez is signature for that, and so, of course, with the smaller gloves, this strike from below is all the more effective. When you revert to a boxing guard, smaller gloves, chin tucked down, hands raised, and just little preparation, boom, a strike you did not train for. I did not see this as much in his LAKEY fight, but I do believe it is one of Khabib's stronger stand-up tools. I'm excited for his bout with Conor McGregor, a masterful precision striker versus a savage grappler, both constantly learning and seeking to grow as mixed martial artists, both true students of the game. I'll make a video on my perspective of their matchup stylistically, but what do you guys think will take it? Regardless of outcome, my respect and admiration for both will not change. I'm simply grateful for the privilege to watch. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you'd like more from me, please subscribe. That's definitely great for the channel. Smash the like button if you enjoyed. It's good karma. And until next time, peace.